Parallel parking is one of the most intimidating parking technique, lalo na sa mga newbie drivers. Even myself, nung bago pala ako nagda-drive, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-ayokong ginagawa. Hi, this is Martin Aguilar, the content editor of philcoche.com. And welcome to philcoche.com's How-To series. So for today, ang gagawin natin is how to parallel park. This is philcoche.com, the #1 car portal in the Philippines. So first step pag magpa-parallel park is make sure na maganda yung angles ng mirrors mo, meaning yung side mirrors pati ng rear view. Make sure na maganda yung visibility mo para safely ka makamaneuver towards yung parking spot. And then, pag nakakita ka na ng parking spot, what you need to do is make sure na may enough space for you na maipasok mo yung kotse. That's the time na i-move mo yung kotse mo. So disengage na natin yung parking brake towards the side nung nasa harap ng paparkingan mong kotse. Ang checkpoint mo dito is kailangan yung side mirror mo naka-align sa side mirror niya. So, pag na-align mo na yan, that's the time you shift the gear into reverse. So, yan, na-reverse ka na, check uli yung mirrors kung clear. So far, clear naman tayo. And then, isi-steer mo yung steering wheel mo towards the direction kung saan mo gusto mag-park. So in this case, nasa left natin yung open parking spot. So todo lang. Steer nyo muna todo. So yan, tumodo na. Then slowly set your foot off the brakes. And there you go. Dahan-dahan mo ipasok. Check the mirrors while doing it. So far, pasok na tayo. Tapos pag nakita mo na yung plate number ng kotseng nasa likod mo, that's the time you straighten up mo yung steering wheel. Straighten up natin. Check the mirrors. Dahan-dahan. Okay lang, huwag kang magmamadali. Dahan-dahan lang. So once na medyo aligned na yung nose ng car mo dun sa rear end ng kotseng nasa harapan mo, that's the time you steer the steering wheel towards the opposite direction ng parking spot na paparkingan mo. So in this case, steer natin siya pakanan. So todo pa din, then alalay lang sa brakes. At the mirrors. Yan, sige lang. And then, watch out for the gutter din kasi ayaw mong magasgasan yung napakagandang mugs mo. So yun, pag malapit ka na sa gutter, brakes, then lipat uli sa drive, tapos steer the steering wheel towards the left kasi dun tayo magpa-park, diba? And para ma-straighten up natin yung vehicle natin. Gradually set off your foot off the brakes. And then yun, tingin lang, adjust. And then, pag nakita mong medyo nag-straight ka na, that's the time you put the steering wheel sa straight direction. So, tansya sa harap. And then, after nyan, hindi pa natatapos dyan. Make sure na merong kang enough space sa harap and sa likod. Bakit ganun? Para madali ka makakalabas. As well as yung mga nasa harap mong kotse or yung nasa likod mong kotse, madali din sila makakalabas. Walang mahahassle. Remember, practice makes perfect. Iba-iba ng technique every driver. No, hindi naman namin sinasabi na this is the right way to do it, but this is the most ideal way to do it. No? At yun nga, to perfect your parallel parking skills, the only thing you need to do is to practice. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, practice makes perfect. So yun, huwag kayong matatakot when you're executing it for the first time. Huwag din kayong magmamadali when you're executing it for the first time. And mas maganda kung meron kayong kasama, kumbaga spotter nyo, while doing the parallel parking. Remember, medyo mahirap siya, but you just need to practice and keep on practicing until you got the mastery over how to parallel park. And yun lang, another reminder is, yung mga modern cars kasi ngayon, marami na siyang sensors, meron siyang rear cameras and all of that. Pero don't rely too much on those sensors. Mas maganda pa rin na mag-rely ka sa mirrors mo and sa instinct mo as a driver. Kasi you are the one who's supposed to be in total control of the vehicle. Ayun lang. Remember, practice makes perfect and always drive safely. See you next time, guys.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Philcoche, the country's #1 online car portal.